Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to model a parametric wall decoration with your pattern in Rhino 3D. Let's get started. To begin this tutorial, we need a pattern. It can be a shape, text, logo, or anything else. I started with my channel's name, Mr. Rhino 3D, in the text tool. Then draw a surface at the bottom of the text. Next, use the Drape feature to create a drape over a surface or an object. After the draping, I draw surfaces for the sides and bottom of the shape for a better result. Prepare for the next part, contour, and set the distance between contours to 0.1. You can try contours at different distances for different results. Now it's time to extrude the contours. Thank you for watching. If you have any ideas for my next video, please feel free to share your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next tutorial.